Alright, so here's just a quickie on how to clean your PS2. Once you've detached the top of the CD tray off, it's right there. It's pretty easy. There's 4 screws right around here. They just pop off there. Take a Q-tip, just dip it in some rubbing alcohol, like so. You don't have to soak it, just enough to get it slightly wet. And you're just gonna slightly wipe around the lens there. Kind of clean that off, just in a circular motion. Don't press it completely down, but just press it kind of light. And you're gonna proceed to clean all this shit off on top of the little spinner thing here, and that'll improve how your CD turns into shit. Okay, and that's it.